Sound of ot. Cot, hot. Dot, pot. Lot, not. Got. Read aloud. A pot with a dot. Milk is hot. Sit on the cot. Drink milk a lot.
For more entertainment, log on and subscribe to www.youtube.com/VenusKidsWorld.